Okay, guys. Hey, guys. Hey, teacher. My name is David. I present um, Tag 7 talking about activities and plans. So, 1. What are your plans for the weekend? My plans for this weekend I go with my family to the farm, celebrate my brother's birthday, and be with my girlfriend. 2. What is your job or study routine? My study routine is 12 hours a week in activities, and currently I don't have work. I also train 2 hours from Monday to Saturday in gym. I love it. What sport you practice? I train in soccer in my neighborhood. 4. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? Well, I would like to travel to New Zealand because it's not expensive and there are job opportunities. Okay, okay, guys, this is my presentation. Good luck. Bye.